Is your heated transport cart failing to maintain safe food temperatures, overheating, shutting off unexpectedly, or heating inconsistently? A faulty thermostat could be affecting accurate temperature control and overall heating performance. Welcome to PartsFe. In this video, we'll show you how to troubleshoot the thermostat in your heated transport cart. The thermostat is typically located behind the control panel, where it connects to the heating system and electrical wiring. It controls the heating elements by monitoring the cabinet temperature and cycling the heat on and off to maintain the selected temperature. Common causes of thermostat failure include normal wear, electrical surges, prolonged heat exposure, moisture intrusion, or internal component failure. These issues can lead to inaccurate temperature control, inconsistent heating, or complete loss of heat. Before beginning any inspection, disconnect the heated transport cart from the power supply and allow the unit to cool completely. To troubleshoot, you'll need a multimeter, a screwdriver, insulated gloves, and a flashlight for better visibility. Start by inspecting the thermostat, wiring harness, and terminals for corrosion, loose connectors, burnt insulation, or other visible damage. Make sure the thermostat control knob rotates smoothly and all connections are clean and secure. Next, use a multimeter to test the thermostat for continuity according to the manufacturer's specifications. While the unit remains disconnected from power, rotate the thermostat through its temperature settings and verify that the continuity readings change as expected. If the thermostat fails the continuity test, shows inconsistent readings, or no longer switches properly, it is likely failed internally and should be replaced. Check the link in the description for the correct replacement part. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts in the USA and Canada, visit PartsFe and follow us for more appliance maintenance and replacement tips. Thanks for watching.